In this video, we're going to go through the steps of creating a video, or a bulb as it's called in Playposit, that your students can watch using a YouTube URL. So everyone has a Playposit account. You can get there by going to go.playposit.com and clicking login in the top right of your screen. I've already signed in before using Google, so it's going to flash through those steps very quickly. If you haven't before, you're going to just tap sign in with Google and find your name and then put in your Google password. I'll show you when I click login, it zooms right past that, but it was right over there in the right side of your screen. So it always lands you here on your bulbs page. And if you look over on the left-hand side, there's this expandable window. My bulbs is where you want to be to create a new video. So we're going to click add new bulb. And this always pops up. It's just kind of like FAQs, getting to know the site. You can read through it or bypass it by clicking enter the designer. And then for today, I'm going to use a URL from a YouTube video, but you can also add videos that you already have saved to your desktop if you click here. So I'm going to click input URL, and I already have this video of a little girl reciting poetry in YouTube. So I'm going to take the URL and copy it, and then I'm going to paste it here in Playposit. Give it a second to load, and then scroll down a little bit. You can change the title if you want to. I'm just going to click done. So if you want your students to just watch the video without answering any questions or interactions as they're called, you're going to just skip right to the review stage. And then down below, you'll see preview. So this will open a preview link in a new tab, and this is the URL that you want to copy to create a QR code. And I have a QR code generator open in another tab here, so I just use this one all the time. Anyone will do that works for you. I'm just going to paste that URL here, and then your kiddos can scan this QR code with their camera app, and if they tap on the link that appears, it will open the video in Safari. They just have to click the play button on the iPad. So if you don't want them to watch any or answer any questions, you can stop here. The next video is going to be inputting interactions or questions throughout the video. So go to the next one, Playposit 2.0, to find out how to do that there.